In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set marketing contacts in HubSpot. If you're ready to effectively manage your contacts and optimize your marketing efforts, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through this process together step by step, so you'll be well equipped to leverage HubSpot's powerful features. To get started, you'll first need to open up HubSpot and make sure you're logged into your account. This is crucial, as you will need full access to your HubSpot's tools and resources. Once you're in your account, the first destination on our journey is the trial guide. You might be asking why this is our first stop. Well, the trial guide is your go-to hub for all the resources and information required to kick off your form-building process, ensuring you have a solid foundation to work with. Now, direct your attention to your homepage. Here, you'll want to locate and click on the CRM feature. The CRM is where the magic happens. It's where you'll manage all facets of your customer relationships. Within the CRM, you should navigate to Contacts. This is the section where you can view and manage all your contact data. Once you're in the Contacts section, look for the box located beside the Name header. Click this box to highlight your entire contact list. This action is important because it prepares your contact list for the next step, which involves adjusting how you view and manage these contacts. With your contact list highlighted, turn your focus to the upper right part of the screen where you'll see an option labeled Add View. Clicking on Add View is your gateway to customize how you filter and interact with your contact information. This feature is incredibly helpful as it allows you to tailor the contact display to better suit your specific needs. Next up, you'll see the option to click on Marketing Contacts. This step is pivotal as it enables you to designate which of your contacts will be earmarked for marketing purposes. Choosing marketing contacts helps streamline your marketing strategies and ensures that you're reaching out to leads and customers who are pertinent to your campaigns. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully set up marketing contacts in HubSpot. This setup not only enhances your marketing efforts, but also allows you to maintain an organized and efficient contact list. Remember, the key to successful contact management lies in keeping your information up to date and relevant. So don't hesitate to revisit and tweak these settings as your marketing needs evolve. Thank you for tuning into this lesson. If you found it helpful, be sure to check back for more insightful guides on maximizing your HubSpot experience. Happy marketing!